Hello guys! Good morning, good evening, good day sa inyong lahat. So today I am gonna share with you my awesome and abundant harvest from my backyard garden. Sabi nga nila, there is nothing like eating vegetables coming from your own garden. And there's nothing like growing your own organic vegetables from seeds. We always look forward to spring and summer so we could plant seeds and wait till they are all ready to harvest. It's harvest time! Samahan nyo kami guys mag-harvest ng mga gulay. Kim also loves to harvest, so we as a family harvest together. It's the joy of getting and harvesting vegetables which you grow from seed. So in the morning when we wake up, diretso kami ng garden to see kung anong maha-harvest for that day.
How about the maliit ones?
Gardening is so relaxing. This for me is heaven or paradise because just looking at the leaves and this amazing na mga bunga ng mga tinanim mo, it's a great feeling. It's an instant fulfillment kasi nakikita mo kaagad yung bunga ng tinanim mo. So, lalo na yung mga ganito. O, diba?